In order to import an ASCII file into NavCom SurvCE, you first need to transfer the ASCII file onto your handheld. Do this by connecting your handheld to your PC using a USB cable. You will then want to open a Windows Explorer window, locate your handheld device, go into the internal storage, click on Program Files, SurvCE, and finally Data. Now you can either drag and drop or copy and paste your ASCII file into the data folder on your handheld device. Once your ASCII file is on your handheld's hard drive, you will need to open SurvCE on your device and go through the normal steps of creating a project and configuring rovers and linked devices. If you need help with any of these steps, please see the video that covers that topic. Once your project is set up, you are on the Job menu. Select number 7, Import Export. This will take you to the Import Export screen, where you are given the option of either importing or exporting an ASCII file. Click on Import ASCII File, and you are given options of how you want this ASCII file imported. In the Type drop-down list, you can choose from a variety of file presets, but for this example, we will use User-Defined. To the right is the Select button. After you click on it, you can use a Windows Explorer window to locate your ASCII file. The Type drop-down list allows you to choose other types of files you would like to import aside from ASCII files. There's also a Previous Folder button, a New Folder button, and the option to see an icon view or a list view of your files. When you are satisfied with your ASCII file, press the green checkbox at the top of the screen. You will now see the location of your ASCII file displayed below the Type drop-down list. To the right is the Details button. Pressing this will bring up a screen with more details about your file, including point ranges and the total number of points. The Format drop-down list allows you to choose how you want your point information, such as point ID, northing, easting, elevation, and description displayed. Entering a header lines number tells SurvCE how many lines to disregard before it starts reading data from the ASCII file. To manually select your header lines, locate the header line in the window and select the Set button. Add to point IDs allows you to enter a value to be added to the point ID numbers to help differentiate them from the pre-existing points in your project. Checking the Point Protect box will ensure that your pre-existing points will not be overwritten by any new points imported from the ASCII file. In the Points to Import box, you can choose the point range to be imported, name specific points, or import all your points. At the top of the screen is the Preferences box. Selecting this box will bring up the Preferences screen, where you can choose to note a delimiter of either a comma, tab, space, or a unique user-defined marker, and you can enter a counter number. There's also a checkbox if you would like to skip the first character from the point's description. Once your preferences are set, select the green checkbox. If all your import ASCII settings are correct, select the green checkbox at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Destination File screen, where you will be asked to choose a coordinate file to import your points to, or to create a new one. Since we are importing points into our current job, we will select our current job's coordinate file from the list, and select the green checkbox. Once your ASCII file is successfully imported, you will see a notification telling you how many points were imported. Press the OK button and you will end up back on your Job menu screen. To check to see your points in the Map view, simply select the Map View button at the top of the screen. Once on the Map view, you should see all your points displayed on the screen. You are now ready to begin surveying.